Hoy, pinapanood daw niya ako. See, they approach me while I am on live. Oh, thank you for watching my live. Okay na? Good? Okay, nice meeting you, ha? I have to go. Nagpapalipas lang kami ng araw. Hoy, I am in Union Park. Union Park. Vlogging tayo dito before I go to my destination. For today's video, I'm gonna take you, by the way. Ay, nakalive pala ako, nag-vlog na ako. Ay, sige na, babay na. Magkita-kita tayo again sa Mang Inasal, ha? Everybody, it's Kate Toretto here for today's video. Come with me as I'm gonna take you to the Gold Souk. Nice meeting you. Say hi to my vlog first. Thank you for watching me.
Yes, how are you all, kabayan?
Hi everybody, once again, it's Kate Toretto here. I don't know what kind of intro I did there, but again, it's Kate Toretto here for today's video. Come with me as I'm gonna be taking you to one of Dubai Gold Center. It's called Gold Souk. So ayun, ilalakad ko lang kayo. Let's do it. I'm so excited and the sunset is sunsetting. Let's go, let's do it. I'm so excited to do this. Everybody, good afternoon from me, Kate Toretto here. So for today, good ako pala ako si Mama Mary. Good afternoon. Yes. Hi, very quick lang. Say hi to my BFF na very supportive. Oh,
hello,
pakita ka na. Oh.
Sorry ka.
My K-pop best friend. His name is K-pop. Thailander. Hi everybody, please comment down below naman if what do you feel or how do you feel so far about my vlogs here in the UAE, Dubai. Please let me know, and please again let me know, comment down below. I will try to consider yung mga possible comments na pwede nating puntahan, pwede natin gawin. So please comment down below. So right now, we are here in Baniyas Square. Hoy, I think I'm also gonna take you to one of my favorite restaurants here in Dubai, in Deira. Yes, I'm gonna take you to, hindi ko sure, but I think Mang Inasal. Yes, there is Mang Inasal in Deira. Excited ako because I'm craving for Mang Inasal for a very, very long time. Imagine mo yung kalamansi, yung toyo, tapos sagyan mo pa ng chicken oil. Ang sarap. My God, excited na ako. Uy, nai-imagine nyo ba yun? Yung chicken na bagong ihaw, tapos Mang Inasal. Excited ako sobra, grabe. Tara, huy, Mang Inasal tayo. Ang naiisip ko lang, the only thing that I can think right now is once I am finished with this vlog, I deserve chicken inasal with only rice. Kailangan kong Mang Inasal. Alam ko naman madaming inasal in the world, but really for me, it's still Mang Inasal. I don't know, parang it's still Mang Inasal. Walang makakagaya sa recipe nun. Hi everybody, let me show you just a bit of how the Baniyas area looks like. Do you see this? Like whenever you use the pedestrian, may stoplight o wala, cars, vehicles, they stop. Ah, okay, because your eyes. Say hi. Hello. We're in India.
You know, South Kerala.
Ah, Kerala. Really? Okay. Nice meeting you. Nag-hi. He said hi, so we said hi back. So when you go here, you're gonna see like a lot of mga hi. So if you need anything, like for example, thank you, shukriya. Kunyari mga laptop part of basta parte ng mga laptop nyo or any mga phone casing like this, you can find here in Baniyas Square. Baniyas. That's the square, yung parang park. That's the Baniyas Square. Tapos this is the Baniyas. Hi, quick story time on how did I discover this place. So, okay, again, 5 years back when I had my first interview here in Dubai. Pero meron akong isang interview dito na grabe, inikot-ikot talaga ako sa Dubai. Tapos, hindi ko alam, pagdating ko nasa ano na ako, nandito na ako. In case that you are going here, you're gonna see like a lot of, ayan nga, oh, look. Oh. Mga cellphone. Tapos, banda doon, mga damit, mga cortina, bags, and everything. Parang ano rin to, Divisoria. Kaya I'd like to take you here, but it's kind of course, it's malinis, it's organized, it's systematized. Charos. Joke lang. But yeah, let's go, let's keep walking. Hoy, eto na everybody. So, just like what I'm saying, para akong nag-Divisoria, but maganda, malinis, tapos, sorry, sobrang init. At the moment, it's really, really hot, but I am trying and I am doing my best to do this vlog. So, I'm just gonna give you like a tour here. Yun lang. Walk-walk lang tayo, and then today no food trip because I am saving my appetite for Mang Inasal because I wanna eat the chicken Mang Inasal and the and the halo-halo. Uy, na-excite na ako sa halo-halo. Okay, this is what I am saying. Look. O, diba? Oh. Do you like that? Everybody, once again, I cannot focus a lot on the road when I'm walking. We are trying to avoid to capture any woman, most especially yung mga naka-cover. So we don't also want to, anong tawag dito? We also don't want to waste the footage kapag nagsasalita ako and then we capture something. Sayang naman. Hi, so we are nearing sa Gold Souk. If you watch any other vlogs, tapos lalo na sa KMJS, doon kayo i-start niyan sa mismong harapan. But for me, I am giving you the resident tour, remember? So, nandito tayo sa likod. Idadaan ko muna kayo sa paligid before we reach the Gold Souk. Wala pang 20 minutes nagbablog, gusto na ng chai. When chai is life. But let's delay that, okay? Okay, so I'm gonna take you first to the Spice Souk Market. And then after that, ito yung Gold Souk. Yes. Daan lang tayo dyan. Full tour to, ha? Sabi ko sa inyo, only kay Toretto. Giving you a full tour in Dubai. Let's keep walking. Please, sorry na kayo, ha? Sorry na kayo. Sorry naman if... Hoy, everybody, I'm so sorry once again if I need to cut my video. Kasi minsan, yung suddenly biglang cut, even while I'm talking. Kasi may mga babae kasi minsan na nakatakip yung face. And we are trying to avoid that. Okay? Everybody, once again, welcome to Gold Souk. But this is the gate 2. If you're watching vlogs ng mga KMJS, ba sa other vlogs, doon sila parati nag-i-start. They always start doon sa may harapan. It's okay, thank you. But again, this is not a tourist vlog. This is a resident vlog. So, I'm giving you the kung talagang kung paano yung ginagawa namin as residents here. 'Di ba? Sa likod tayo dadaan. We know the shortcut. It's not a shortcut, it's actually the same, but okay lang yan, pareho lang yan. Oo, ganun lang yun. Everybody, look, see? This is the Gold Souk. Grabe yung init at the moment. Everybody, ha? So, ayan. Welcome to Gold Souk. Ganda, di ba? Look. Mahaba-habang vlog ito. Okay, tapos tignan nyo. You see that street? Actually, marami pa tong streets. Pero, wag na yon. Oo. Ito yung mga pinapakita sa KMJS. So, ito yan. Grabe, no? The gold is golding, oh. Shucks. So, by the way, just to let you know, na if you're planning to go here, don't worry about the golds because the government here, parang once a month, pinupunta nila yung mga store na yan, they check the golds to check the authenticity, kung original ba yan or what, or kung may differences, mga ganun. So, guaranteed naman yan. But of course, it's still up to you, Sometimes you can never say it. Pag minalas-malas ka nga naman. But again, I can guarantee you that almost all of basta legit yung mga sinesell nila dito. So, isang linya yan, talagang puro gold lang. Diyos ko. Just imagine, no? Magkano kaya yung mga yan? Imagine kung yung isang store dito, magkano na agad yan, no? Ipapakita ko sa inyo for today's video yung pinakamalaking gold sa buong mundo. Kotang-kota na to sa mga vlog, Diyos ko po. Parang walang vlogger na hindi to pinuntahan. Pakita na natin. Oh, kikita nyo ba yan? World heaviest gold ring is the Najmat Talba. The gold is golding, no? Grabe. Pasok tayo. Grabe tong gold na to, no? So, if you watch me, again, if you watch me first ever vlog, yung towards the ending, I told you, di ba, na I'm gonna take you to the other side. So, this is the other side. Hello. So, ayun lang. Gusto ko lang sabihin. Ay, sige. Pakita natin. Can I show? Ganda, no? See? Some other tourists and even the residents, they come here sometimes just to take picture because look at naman, no? Ang gastos sa kuryente. Okay, I'll check it. Really? I didn't know you have second floor. Ah, okay. I'll check it. Thank you. Hoy, may second floor pala to. I don't know that. Okay, let's go. Let's just check it. Ay. Ah, okay. Yun naman pala. Ay, gusto ko dito. Okay.
Where are you from?
The Philippines. What?
Magandang gila.
Halika dito.
Magandang gila.
Ay, who teach you this? Who teach you? Ah, 3? Only 3? Make 4. Why only 3?
One you.
No, me.
Why?
I'm busy.
Your business?
busy. I'm busy.
Why are you busy?
I know you.
Really?
You come before here. Yeah.
Ah, okay. You remember. Ah, okay. Say hello to my vlog. Really? You remember me?
Yeah, I remember you.
Really?
I follow your vlog. So
Eh,
I
show me,
watch it.
show me, ah, show me.
I don't have internet right now.
How come you don't have internet here?
Because it's finished. I don't have money.
1 year and a half.
Sorry?
No, 1 year and a half before I go, I was here.
No,
Also
no.
same-
Before.
Yeah, before nga. 1 year and a half, I was also here.
No, I see your video last week.
Ah, really?
Yeah,
Thank
in
you.
Facebook.
What's your name?
My name is Akbar. Yeah.
Really? Show me.
What do you want to see?
The ID.
Halika dito. Kabayan, kumusta ka?
How many girlfriend you have?
3 girlfriend.
Make 4. But not me.
One you.
No, not
One
me.
you. I make scarf for you.
You make what?
Scarf for you for picture.
Scar? No need.
No, you make video.
It's okay. I don't like.
Free.
No.
You think you pay money?
Next time if I go.
Just try it.
I know that, but I'm here long time. I experienced that. Picture. But here,
No here.
I'm only good at right angle. A picture. Hindi ka marunong umanggulo, no? Give me the phone. Hindi ka marunong umanggulo. Oh. Look here. Your phone. Hi, we are nearing the Spice Soap Market. I am good. I'm not Kabayan. Guess where I'm from? Huh? I'm from where?
China?
Yes. Ni hao ma.
Sweden.
Ano, Philippines. Philippines.
We're Philippines.
Yeah. Where are you from?
I'm from, what do you think?
Huh?
What do you guess?
I don't know. You look.
Really?
Wait, what's your favorite food? What's your favorite food?
Chicken. Chicken. I love chicken.
Are you from India? No. No.
I'm from Spain.
No. The true nga.
Really?
No, you're not from Spain. What's your name?
Ali.
Alip. Where are you from?
From Afghanistan.
Ah, okay. That's why you look Asian but not Asian. You look Pakistan but not. Yeah.
This girl is from,
Yeah.
this girl is from Pakistan.
I love
Really?
so many friends.
Are you really Afghan?
Yeah, he loves
okay.
Philippines people, too much. I don't know why.
Hoy, alam nyo ba, when I first arrived in Dubai, tuwang-tuwa ako dito sa mga ganito. Merong kalapate. Ay, kalapate. Merong feather ng kalapate. Ay, give me free water.
I give everything free, don't worry.
May patubig. What's your name?
Hassan.
Look at that. Ah, okay.
Look in the camera.
Ang kulit mo. How do you do this?
So basically, this is from Turkey.
This is Turkey.
This is Turkey handmade. This is basically coming from Turkey, yeah. Yeah.
That's it?
That's it, yeah.
How much is this?
This is for you 15 dirham.
Sabi mo free.
For
And
you,
this?
for you the best price, maganda
Really?
price, yeah.
Maganda price. I speak Tagalog. Hoy, see can you actually use this or only for design?
No, it's just
Only home
people
decoration.
like for decoration. Yeah. You can use it for decoration. Yeah.
Daming alikabok. Joke lang. Pero maganda yan. Hoy, pero pag tinignan mo talaga to, it looks really good. Gustong-gusto ko talaga to. Aliw na aliw ako dito. Tignan mo naman kasi, done na. Thank you. Nice meeting both of you. Bye-bye na.
Nice to meet you. Bye bye. See you next year, next time.
Next year. Bye-bye. Thank you. Bye-bye, Ali.
I will see your video on TikTok.
Okay. Hoy! So, ayun. Ganyan talaga ako pag-alakad ito. Nagiging tropa ko yung mga yan. So, the last time that I was here. Hello. Naging tropa ko din talaga yan nakaraan. Hoy, if you've watched the movie The Sex and the City, Sex and the City. So, ito yun. A lot of their Basta maraming scene dito na sinat. Nakakatawa. Panoorin nyo na lang. Hoy everybody, so right now, nandito na tayo sa mismong Spice Souk. Hoy everybody, so...
Welcome to Spice Market, okay? Yes. This is, first I'll show you this, okay? This is dry lemon, okay? This used for the rice, chicken, kebab, mutton, like this, okay? This
is the one. How do you call this?
This used for the rice, okay? This
the
is dry
rice.
lemon, okay?
Dry lemon.
And this is
Okay.
black lemon. This is black lemon, okay? What is this? You know this one?
Cinnamon.
Yeah, this is cinnamon. This
Ay, binati mo
this
naman.
is cinnamon, okay?
Oh.
This 3 types cinnamon. One from Pakistan.
Which one is from the Pakistan?
This 3 types cinnamon, okay? This from Pakistan, okay?
Okay, the big one.
This from Sri Lanka.
Sri Lanka.
This from Indonesia.
Okay.
This is the best quality, this one, okay?
The best one is in the middle,
and
the
this
Sri Lanka.
one, turmeric. You know turmeric?
Yeah, I know.
You know it different?
No, what's the difference?
This is used for the face massage, you know?
Face massage?
This paste, like paste, okay? Good for the skin, this one. And this is used for cooking, okay?
Okay.
And this is chili. And this is nutmeg.
What?
This nutmeg. This is
Okay.
collagen, okay? And this is star anise. This is cloves. This is green tea. What is this? You know this one?
Wait lang. Hoy, ano ba ang tawag?
Smelling, okay?
Can I smell? Wait. Lavender.
Yeah, this is lavender, okay? And this is black tea. This is jasmine, hibiscus. And
I will put back, no?
Yes.
Okay.
What is this? You
Ibinalik.
know this one?
Which one? Saffron?
No, this is sunflower. This looks like saffron. This is sunflower. And this is, what is this, you know?
Ano to? Bato?
This is Viagra. This Viagra for men, yes?
Wait, what is this again?
This is Viagra for men.
Okay.
Yes, this like make a broke inside white seed. It's like make a powder. Drink to milk. After 10 minutes बाद machine Burj Khalifa.
What? Machine is
For
what?
men, machine Burj Khalifa. Audio khonrik. This is indigo. Indigo, the
okay.
clouds color, okay?
Machine Khalifa.
What is this?
I don't know.
This is sulfur. This is used for the skin allergy, eczema. This one, sulfur.
Skin allergies. Okay.
And this one, frankincense. This used to burn like smelling. This
okay.
is sweet violet. This is rose irani. This is oregano.
Oregano. I like oregano.
This is also like frankincense. This is Arabic gum.
Gum?
This, Arabic gum, you know gum?
Yeah, gum.
This is good for digestion, stomach.
Digestion.
Just
okay.
put in the hot water, okay? You drink
Okay.
it, okay? Yes. And this one, what is this? This is tawas. Pigili-gili. You know tawas?
Yeah, tawas.
And this also incense, okay?
Yeah.
Come, I show you the saffron.
Ay, yun. May pa-inside pa siya. Okay. He made my job very easy. He's the one who's explaining everything na.
Once you try this chocolate, it's my gift.
Ay, really? Pistachio? I like pistachio. Uy. This is saffron. Now this
This
is
is saffron. I'll show you, okay?
Yeah, okay. Show me.
1 second.
Hoy, saffron, bumibili ako niyan. Di ba may 5 dirhams yan? There's 5 dirhams yan. But the small one only. How much is the...
No, this is expensive. 1 gram is 20 dirham, this one. This
Hoy,
is
ang mahal kayo
saffron,
ng
okay?
saffron. Grabe.
This is 50%. This is 100%. The pure saffron. This
Yeah, I
one.
like.
This from Iran. Saffron you
yeah.
like, saffron you like this much put in the tea, in water,
Yeah,
juice, milk, rice, coffee.
So how much is
everything,
the cheapest? Only small, how much?
This is like 1 gram. See, this
How much
is
is
like
that?
1 gram. Okay, this is 25 dirham. This
Already
one.
25.
Yeah, this is the best quality
Only 5
saffron. Okay,
dirhams.
saffron you like this much put in the tea, in water,
Yeah, I know.
juice,
I
milk,
always put
rice.
that in
This
my
is
tea.
benefit saffron.
Yeah.
Saffron good for the skin. This is Arabian fruity. This is very good for cholesterol, vitamin A, blood pressure.
This is so good. I smell again.
This one Arabian
is so
fruity.
good. What
Yeah,
is
this
this?
is very good for cholesterol, vitamin A, blood pressure. Arabian fruity. This is tea, Arabian fruity. This is good for cholesterol, vitamin A, blood pressure. This one.
Okay.
And this is Arabian night tea, good for diabetes. And one of this
I
is
buy
see?
but only 5 dirhams The 100% saffron.
This is sandalwood.
Yeah, I know sandal. The last time I was the other side, I smell the sandal. I know. I told you so many times, there's a lot of pretty things in Dubai. You just have to find it. So let's buy saffron. Ay, kasi yung saffron, gusto ko talaga yan. Yeah, I will give you my channel, but first I will buy the saffron. Kung yung 5 dirhams yun, sobrang konti lang. But I will use it for a long time because I only put 2 to 3 pieces in my chai. Oy, everybody, yes, you can put this on top of your chai. You can make it together with the kulo while it's boiling, or you can just put it after.
Very good guy.
Okay.
Cameraman, very good cameraman.
Wait na, I will pay you. Dyan eh.
Hey, what's your Instagram here?
TikTok better.
Oh, TikTok. Oh, give me your TikTok.
Yeah, I will give. Wait, I will pay first. Maybe I will forgot to pay you. Wait naman yung 5 dirham. Ayan lang yan. Buti nga madami pa eh. Tatagal na to sa akin. Uy, mga ano na to. 2 weeks. Saffron. And the chocolate. Later na to after I eat. Okay, I give you my TikTok. Thank you. What's your name again?
My name is Mahmoud Khan.
Namud Khan. Thank you, Namud Khan. Namud Khan. Namud. Di ba ano yun? Wala. Joke lang.
From?
Philippines. Yes. Filipini. Just let me show you a bit more of the place na lang. Ganyan. Really? Just so you can see na lang what's here in Spice Souk. Siyempre spices. Tuwan-tuwa talaga ako sa mga ganyan. O, tinan mo, oh. Gusto ko yan, yung mga spices pag nakaganyan. Ang ganda ng tignan. Not this. It's free.
Kunafa, famous show.
Nakakayo naman. Ito na, bumili na ako ng saffron, no? Oh, may saffron na ako. Hoy, in Dubai, ha, if they call you brother, kuya, even if you look like feminine, that's okay, okay? They know that, we know that.
This is kunafa.
The kunafa is good. I know kunafa. Yeah, I know.
Kunafa, Dubai famous chocolate.
Yeah, I know the kunafa. Hello, Assalamualaikum. Okay, honest mo la. Ay, it's breaking. Only this, okay, this enough. Oh, kunafa.
Wala.
Thank you. What's your name?
Yusuf.
Yusuf. Ay, tinanong ko na pala. I told you, there's a lot of free things in Dubai. And very nice, no? Oh, if you're coming here, I recommend this.
This is 140
Sobrang
grams,
sarap.
200 grams, 150 grams, dark chocolate, milk one, everything. And I have fresh curry. You
No.
don't cook?
No.
Why?
Ay, everybody, oh, look. See the dresses here. How do you call the dresses again? Just dress?
Jalabiya.
Jalabiya.
We call jalabiya.
Okay, jalabiya.
Dress.
Nilalaro mo ako. Oh, thank you. Say thank you na.
Thank you.
Thank you very much. You see, the hospitality of Pakistani.
Tani Filipino.
Yes, always.
What's your name?
K. Toretto.
K. Toretto.
Yeah. Thank you.
My name is
Was-
Toretto.
No, how come? No. Thank you.
You know Tom Toretto?
Dom Toretto, I know. Dom Toretto, I know. Daming chika neto. When you go here, this is my Spice Souk. It's a little bit, calmer. Yes. But I like it here. Kasi nga, calmer. So, ayun, I'm just gonna bring you until the end. Where are you from?
Pakistan.
Okay. You have good eyes. You can show your eyes, it's okay? Because usually these eyes... What's your name? GM. Oh, I will show you my Thailand. Oh, that's my TikTok. Hoy, he invited us inside his shop, so why not, diba? This is the Thailand. Sabi niya gusto niya raw yung yung songkran, sabi niya water gun daw. Yung kasi niya raw kasi pumunta doon. Can you show your teeth? O, tira mo yung niya, yung pang kay Superman, yung ngipin. Oh, there you go, the water gun fight.
Yes. Wow. This side.
Yeah, I was there.
GM.
Nice meeting you. Thank you very much.
Thank you, my friend.
Hoy, everybody. I'm not Nihao.
You want the white chocolate, the spicy one.
I ordered chocolate, spicy. There's a spicy chocolate?
The spicy chocolate not coming. This all coming.
Okay. I told you.
Free.
There's a lot of free things in Dubai. Can I have more? Joke lang. It's just joke. Nag-spice souk para mangolekta. Ay, nag-spice souk para mangolekta ng mga free chocolate. Thank you. What's your name again?
It's hot.
Ha? Say hi to my followers. Hello. Thank you. Ay, this is the end of the spice souk. Oh, ayun na yun. Oh, that's the full tour, ha? Oh, di ba? Hoy, if you remember the last time, I told you, remember when I was riding the boat? Remember, if you watch my first episode, I was there. And I told you I will bring you here. So that's the here. That's the here. My English talk. I hope na I was able to give you the full tour. Hindi naman sobrang full tour, but at least I was able to give you the glimpse of Gold Souk and the Spice Market. Yun lang. So nag-enjoy kayo on this vlog. Tara, let's eat na kasi gutom na ako. I'm really preparing this stomach for Mang Inasal ni rice. Let's go! Hoy everybody, I'm so excited na mag-Mang Inasal. Sobra. Ako lang ba to? But today, don't worry, this is not a full dedication vlog. I ate a little before ako mag-vlog. But still, I can eat a lot because that's Mang Inasal. The Under Rice hanggang Dubai is Under Rising, of course. And right now, nasa Under... Ala, I'm wishing... Ay, hindi mo nga. I'm wishing... Ay, hindi pala ito well. Underpass pala ito. Tara, let's go, let's go. Hoy, everybody. After maglakad ng isang oras. Hello, can we order? Apps. Arbabelo. That's the owner, oh. That's the owner of Mang Inasal. I told you, we're gonna do Mang Inasal for today's video. Hoy! Ang tagal na ng huling Mang Inasal ko. Eto na talaga to. Pilipino. Ay, ang ganda naman, kuya. Ang ganda naman pala. May improving naman pala sa Mang Inasal. Hello! Kaya naman pala. Hello. Hoy, gusto ko dito. Talaga? Mas ano yung lighting, no? Gusto mo yan. Hoy, everybody, this is gonna be my last stop for today's video. Tara, Mang Inasal tayo dito sa Deira Al Riga. Nike, once again, baka naman. Hoy, na-excite ako. Ang tagal na maling Mang Inasal ko sa Pilipinas pa. Oh. Diyos ko, kailan ba ako ng Pilipinas? Kaya ito may vlog. Hello, hi. How are you?
How are you?
Ano to, best friend ko to sa Mang Inasal, eh.
Mang Inasal po.
Mang Inasal, welcome to Mang Inasal.
Yes, Mang Inasal.
Oh, go. Beautiful and gutom. Gutom na ako. Kailangan ko ng pagkain. Hoy, look at the Mang Inasal in Deira. Oh. Ang bongga, di ba? Aakalain mong may inasal. Hoy, when I first arrived in Dubai, akala ko walang Mang Inasal dito. So, napadaan lang kami ng brother ko. Tapos sabi ko, Mang Inasal ba yun? Sabi niya, oo. Nike, baka hindi kayo naniniwala. Oh, Nike to. Nike yan. Nike to. Nike, baka naman. Ay, may pa-soup. Taray naman. May pa-soup. Gutom na talaga ako. Mag-only rice talaga ako. Hoy, magsabaw muna tayo habang naghihintay tayo ng laps. Hoy, gutom na ako. Kailangan ko na talaga to. Deserve kong Mang Inasal. Hi, this is what we're gonna be getting for today's video. Diba? Hello, mag-hello ka. See, there's a lot of kabayan working in Mang Inasal, Dubai. May ka sa mga pamilya mo. Dali mo.
Hello,
ano to? Wawawin to. Ay, pansit canton. Hala, gusto ka ta. Hi, the food is food. I told you, everybody. Di ko alam. Naka-live ako. Naka-live, tapos naka-vlog. Dito na lang. Thank you po.
Thank you po.
Everybody, just so you know. Hi, ito na may Mang Inasal in Dubai. Look. Hi. Magutom kayo to everyone who's watching this. Tara, magutoman tayo. Pansit canton. Parang food vlogger na ako recently, no? Mang Inasal vlog experience, yes, in Dubai. But in Dubai, Mang Inasal, but in Dubai. Hoy, look how generous Mang Inasal is. Ano to? Ay, sabaw. Ang dami na nangyayari sa mesa ko. Go. Ilagay lahat yan. Go yan. Laban yan. Thank you, kuya. Hoy, the sabaw. Ang daming pagkain sa vlog ko. I told you. Ano to? Hayo. The turon is turoning. Sarap ng pagkain ko. Hoy! This is a must try. Hoy! Ang sarap. Pag bumili ka sa labas nito, walang laman. Sa Mang Inasal may laman. Ang sarap. Galit si Arbab. Why are you angry, Arbab? Pag ito reto ka, kailangan kinakausap mo yung may-ari ng Mang Inasal. Ito yung may-ari ng Mang Inasal. Magay tayo. Arbab, say hi. Why are you angry, Arbab?
No, never. I'm not angry.
No more.
Hi to everyone.
By the way, everybody, he's the owner of Mang Inasal Deira Al Riga. Mayaman yan.
Welcome always.
Yayamanin yan.
Everyone is welcome.
Why do you like Filipinos?
I love Filipinos.
Why? You tell me before. The reason before.
I don't have any reason for
Because
that.
they're good. You told me before.
Just I love the Filipino from many years. I love them. That's always I love Filipino.
Tropa ko yun sa Arbab niya. Thank you, Arbab.
No any reason. Just they are really good people, soft people. From the beginning, I love them.
Arbab, may food is... Wait lang. Oy, tingnan kung libre yung pagkain ko or hindi. May food is free or no?
Of course,
I
free.
pay or no?
No.
Thank you. Hoy, mayaman yan. Yayamanin talaga yan. Hello, kamusta? Palitin mo naman, parang malit yung mukha ko. kanan lang, para maganda ako sa kanan eh. Oy, Jelly Castelloni, shout out. Naka-vlog ka. Legit yung shout out sa'yo ha. Vlog na vlog pa talaga to. Thank you.
Thank you po.
Tara, thank you sa pagpunta.
Ang puti mo, ma.
Thank you, ang fresh mo.
Ang ganda niya sa personal.
Ay, thank you. Narinig. Wait lang, ulitin mo yan.
Ang ganda niya sa personal.
Para mabash na naman ako. Okay, nice meeting you. Thank you sa pagpunta ha.
Opo.
Thank you. Oh.
Sige, bye-bye.
Hoy, bumiyahe pa yan, bumiyahe. Pinuntahan pa talaga nila ako. Gusto ko yan. Hoy, mabait yan yung may-ari ng Mang Inasal. Sobrang bait yan. Tsaka talagang ano yan sa Pilipino. Bait yan sa mga Pinoy. Hoy, kung curious kayo sa lasa ng Mang Inasal dito sa Dubai, kasing lasa lang ng sa Pilipinas. Minsan nga masarap pa eh. Pero masarap silang pareho, pero ewan ko, ba't kulang dito? Baka kasi nasanay na ako sa food dito. Kaya I know marami ng chicken inasal na nagsusulputan, pero iba pa rin talaga yung Mang Inasal. Amin din naman nating lahat yan. Parang no one can beat Mang Inasal. Aside from my brother's recipe. Ipasok ko talaga yung sa kuya ko kasi masarap talaga mag-Mang Inasal yung kuya ko. Sorry naman. Sino dyan mga nakikrave sa chicken oil? Comment down below. Guilty ako. Minsan nagmamang inasal lang ako for the chicken oil as well. Hoy, I'm ready for our last stop. Ito na talaga yan. The Mang Inasal, halo-halo. Walang tatalo dito, oy. Oh, look. Oh, ayun na. I'm gonna end my vlog now. I hope that you enjoyed watching my, the Gold Souk Baniyas Tour, Spice Souk Tour, and the Mang Inasal. Tinapos natin sa Mang Inasal etong vlog na ito. Sana na-enjoy nyo. Kung may pera kayo, again, mag-spend kayo sa sarili nyo. Kumain kayo sa Mang Inasal. Maghalo-halo kayo, mag-chicken inasal kayo. Huwag nyo tipidin ang mga sarili nyo. Again, this is Kay Toretto. Whatever you are, whatever you're doing, I hope that you're having a great day. And if not, always remember that tomorrow is another day. Mag-ingat kayo yan. Ay, hindi kami pinagbayad ng Mang Inasal. Oh, thank you. Let's take Mang Inasal for today's video. Oh, pak. Hi, wait lang. This is my only way to thank Mang Inasal. Ang taray ng Kay Toretto. Hoy, imagine mo, Kay Toretto, Alriga Inasal, hindi na tayo pinagbabayad. Hoy, nakakailan na ako. To the people who knows me, they are no longer letting me pay. Thank you very much. Appreciate that. O yun lang, I wanna end this vlog by being thankful to all those people who's believing in me. Thank you, bye-bye.